Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I came back with different types of cubes. Today I'll show you how to solve the 3x3 cube. But before that, I'll show you how much fast I can solve these cubes. So first I'll show you how much fast I can solve the 2x2 cube. So let's on the timer. Start. We'll solve. I solved this in 47 seconds, the 2x2 cube. So let's reset the timer. And now I'll solve the pyramids. So let's start the timer. And here. Stopping. I solved this pyramids in 30 seconds. And now I'll solve the 3x3 cube. So let's reset the timer and start. So, yeah. I solved this in 1 minute and 20 seconds. And for the 4x4 cube, I'm still practicing it and I can only solve it in 5 minutes. So I'll practice this cube more, and then when I solve it a little bit faster, I'll show you in the future videos. Now I'll teach you how to solve the 3x3 cube. But before that, I just want to show you one small trick I can do with the 3x3 cube. So now you can see that this word is facing the green face. But now I'll make this word face the orange face quickly. So now I'll start it. And now this word is facing the orange face. And if I keep on doing that same thing, it will also the world will face the blue face. Then if I do that again, it will like go counterclockwise. It will go. Let's start now. So now I'll tell you the parts of the 3x3 cube. So these are the faces. There are 6 faces on the 3x3 cube. And now these are the centers. There are also 6 centers on the 3x3 cube. And now the centers are found on the center of each of the faces. And now these are the corners. All the corners on the 3x3 cube have 3 colors. For example, this corner has the colors green, red, and white. And now these are the edges. On each of the edges on the 3x3 cube, there are 2 colors. For example, this edge has the colors green and red. So now I'll tell you the opposite colors. So the opposite of white is the color yellow. The opposite of green is the color blue. And the opposite of orange is the color red. So now I'll tell you how to solve the 3x3 cube. So first, make the white center face you and bring all the yellow edges on the top, bottom, left, and right of the white center. There is no algorithm for this step. You just have to think of a way to do this. Like here, and now like this at the top, bottom, left, and right. And now on this step, you should do this. At the bottom of this yellow is the color green. So this green should match the green center, which is right here. So we should just move this top face to the right one time, because this green center is at the right of this edge. So like this, and it matches. And now we should move this edge 2 times to the left or to the right, so this yellow will match with this yellow center. So maybe to the left, 1, 2, and it matches. And the green matches too. Yeah. And now it's the same for the other 3 edges. Now at the bottom of this yellow is the color orange. And here is the orange center. So we move this to the left or to the right 2 times, because the center is at the opposite side of this edge. So maybe to the right, 1 and 2, and it matches. And now move this edge to down, so this yellow will match with the yellow center. So we move it to the left or to the right 2 times. Maybe now to the right, 1, 2, and it matches, and the orange matches. And now this at the bottom of this yellow is the color red. So we move it like so. This red will match with this red center. So we move this top face to the right, so it matches. And now we should make this edge go to the opposite side, so this yellow will match with this yellow. So we move it to the left or to the right 2 times. Maybe now to the left, 1, 2, and now it matches, and the red matches. And now just this now we should just do that thing for this yellow edge. So at the bottom of this yellow is the color blue, and it's already matching with the blue center. So we move it left or to the right 2 times, maybe left, so it matches, and the blue also is matches. And after you do that, it should come a yellow plus at the opposite side, and at the bottom of each of these edges, yellow edges around the yellow center should have matching colors, like here, 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 and here, because we matched those colors that time. So now in this step we're going to solve the yellow face. So first we have to find a yellow a corner with the color yellow. So here is one, and it has the colors yellow, red, and blue. So we moved that corner between the red and blue centers, which are here and here. So we should move the bottom face 2 times to the left or right. So maybe to the left, 1, 2, and it's between, the corner is between these 2 centers. And now we should make this corner go here. So the yellow will match, red will match, and the blue will match. Even though this blue is already matching, we should still do this. So to do that, we should move the right face to the bottom, the bottom face to the left, the right face up, the bottom face to the right. And we keep on doing that until this corner comes to the top with matching. Now it's not matching, so we keep on doing it. Down, left, up, right. And this is not the corner we looked for that time. This is it. So we still keep on doing this. Down, left, up, right. And now this is the corner we were looking for, and it matches. See? And now we do the same for the the rest of the corners. So here is one corner, and now it's at the top of this cube instead of the bottom. So then we do this to make it to go to the bottom. So the right face down and the bottom face to the right or to the left. Maybe to the left, let's do. And this right face up again, so it will be a plus again. So now, this corner we saw has the colors yellow, green, and orange. And here is the green center and the orange center. So we move this corner between those 2 centers here. And now do that same algorithm to make this here. The right face down, bottom face to the left, the right face up, and the bottom face to the right. And it already came the corner matching. Now one more corner to go. So yeah, here is that corner. It has the colors yellow, orange, and blue. So we move it between the blue and orange center. So here. And we already know that we should move it here because there's just one blank space here. So we should move that corner bottom of that blank space. And now we do that algorithm. The right face down, the bottom face to the left, the right face up, and the bottom face to the right. And it came the corner. Now after we do that step, we should solve the yellow face, and under it should come T's, like here, 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 and here. So now we should solve this second row in this step. So to do that, we should turn the cube upside down so the white center will face us. So now we should find one edge to keep here, and the edge should have the color red and blue, because here is the red center and here is blue center. So here is the edge. It has the color blue on the bottom. So it should match the blue center, and it's already matching the blue center. But if it's not like this, then we should move this edge to the right, because the blue center is at the right of this edge. Like that, match. And now at the top of this edge is the color red. So we move it opposite side to the red center, which is here. So opposite, then the red center up, the edge back to its place, the red center down, and now we should keep this corner back to its place. So to do that, we move the top face to the left, the right face up, the top face to the right, the right face down. And now we should find a corner to keep here. The corner must have the color green and red, because this is the green center and this is the red center, and the edge should be between them so it matches. And here is that edge. On the bottom of the edge, it has the color red. So we match it to the red center. To do that, we move this edge to the left or to the right 2 times so it will match. So maybe to the right, 1, 2, and it matches. And at the top of this edge is the color green. And here is the green center. So we move this edge opposite to that green center up, the edge back to its place, green center down, and now we should put this corner back to its place. So to do that, we need to move the top face to the left, the right face up, top face to the right, and right face down so it matches. Now just 2 more edges to go. So now this edge we're going to keep here should have the color blue and the color orange. Here is that edge. It's already at the bottom of this edge is the color blue, and it's already matching blue center. And at the top of this edge is the color orange. So we move it opposite to the orange center, which is right here. So opposite. And now the orange center up, this edge back to its place, orange center down. And now we should put this corner back to its place. So to do that, now we should move the top face to the right, the left face up, the top face to the left, and the left face down. And now we've solved just one more edge to put here now. So here is the edge. It has the color green and orange, so we should put it here. So at the bottom of this edge is the color green, so we match it to this green center, which is here. So move it to the left one time, and then now at the top of this edge is the color orange, so we move it opposite to the orange edge, which is here. So opposite the orange center, up this edge back to its place, the orange center down, and now we should put this corner back to its place. So to do that, we move this top face to the left, the right face up, the top face to the right, the right face down. And now we solve the first row, the second row, and the yellow face. So now we should make a white plus here. So to do that, we should get a white 7. So we already got a white 7 here. So on that white 7, we do this algorithm. So the right face up, this top face to the left, the back face up, the top face to the right, the back face down, and the right face down. And now it came a plus. And if you didn't have a white 7, then do that algorithm I showed you to make this white plus, and then it will come a white 7, and we should put it into a position which it looks like a white 7, like this, and do this algorithm again to make a white plus. And now we should solve these middle columns. So we didn't get any middle columns, so we move this top face anywhere. So let's move it to the right. So only one middle column came. Only one. So you have one middle column matching, then you should do this algorithm. The right face up, the top face left, right face down, top face left, right face up, and top face 2 times left. So 1, 2, and then right face down. And it came all the middle columns. And if it didn't come for you, then you can do that algorithm again. And now in this step, we should have middle columns, the corners matching. And corners matching means that, for example, on this corner, it should come the colors white, green, and red, because here is the white face, here is the green face, and here is the red face. So we only have one corner like that. So if you have one corner, then do this algorithm on it. So the top face to the left, right face up, top face right, left face up, top face to the left, this right face down, top face to the right, and left face down. And it came all the corners like that. And if it didn't come for you, then you can do that algorithm again. And if you don't have any corner matching that time, then you can do this algorithm one time. Then it will come one corner matching. Then you should face to that corner and then do the algorithm again. And now only one corner is matching. See, here is that corner. See, here is white matching, green matching, and red matching. So the other corners are not like that. So make the one corner face you like this, and then do this algorithm on it. The right face down, bottom face to the left, right face up, and bottom face to the right. Do that algorithm until it comes here matching. Down, left, up, right, and it came. And now you should turn it to the other corner, which is not like that, and do that same algorithm you did for this corner. So down, left, up, right. Left, up, right, until it comes matching like this. And now turn it this way, so this corner will face you, and then do that algorithm again. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, and it matches. And now you should just turn this thing left, the top face left or right 2 times. One, maybe right, so 1, 2, and we solved it. Today I'll not ask you a question, but I'll tell you 2 fun facts about the 3x3 cube. So the 3x3 cube was originally called the magic cube, and the 3x3 cube has 43 quintillion ways to solve. There are 43 quintillion ways to solve the 3x3 cube. 43 quintillion is 43 followed by 18 zeros. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. And if you did like my video, then please like and share it and subscribe to my channel for more fun learning videos. Bye everyone.